HEB shoppers and savers, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time saving with us. We are at HEB today for another great week of deals. We have a lot of great grocery deals this week at HEB. I can't wait to share those with y'all, as for a lot of them, all you need to save are the digital coupons found in the My HEB app. We have a lot of easy deals that you don't want to miss, so let's head inside and get started. We're kicking the grocery deals off in the checkout lanes, where you will find these bags of HEB Cashew Grande whole roasted cashews. These are priced at $1.78 per bag. And in the My HEB app, we have a $1 off unlimited digital coupon. With that coupon, each bag is only 78 cents. Next, we have the bottles of Ito-In tea and milk priced at $1.98. And in the My HEB app, we have a $1 off unlimited digital coupon, making each bottle only 98 cents. This next deal is for the Sunsera Blend Starbucks ground coffee only. These bags are priced at $8.99. And in the My HEB app, we have a $3 off unlimited digital coupon. With that coupon, you'll pay $5.99 at the register for one, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $5 cash back, making your final net total 99 cents. The VT Rice Duo Pots are priced at $2.98, and in the My HEB app, we have an unlimited digital coupon for $1.50 off, so that'll make each Duo Pot of rice $1.48. Select varieties of 28-ounce bottles of Gatorade are regular $1.72 each, but on price cut for $1.28 each. You want to go ahead and grab 2 bottles, and in the My HEB app, clip this $1 off 2 digital coupon. That'll leave you to pay $1.56 at the register for both, or 78 cents each. Old El Paso taco shells are also on price cut. These are priced right now at $1.96, now from $2.18 a box. You'll grab 2 boxes, and then in the My HEB app, clip this $1 off 2 digital coupon. After that coupon applies at checkout, you'll be left to pay $2.92 out of pocket, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for 50 cents back for each box for a total of $1. That makes your final net total for both $1.92 or 96 cents each. The bottles of Ken D Superior Fish Sauce are priced at $3.98. And in the My HEB app, we have a $2 off unlimited digital coupon, making each bottle only $1.98. Just like the previous Starbucks coffee deal, this deal is only valid for the Sunsera Blend, but this time for the K-Cups. These are priced at $9.98, and you'll use that same $3 off unlimited digital coupon as the deal before. With that coupon, you'll pay $6.98 at the register, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for this $5 rebate, making your final net total for one box $1.98. For the next deal, you want to grab 1 can of Goya White Hominy priced at $2.12, as well as 1 can of Goya Coconut Milk priced at $2.68. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip the Unlimited Combo Loco coupon. When you buy the hominy, you're going to get the coconut milk for free. That makes your out-of-pocket cost for both items $2.12 or $1.06 each. Moving right along, you want to grab 3 bags of the Siete Puff Snacks priced at $4.48, a bag of the Siete Kettle Chips priced at $3.94, as well as 1 Siete seasoning priced at $2.23. The retail value for all 4 items is $15.13. So then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this $5 off $15 basket coupon. With that coupon, you'll be left to pay $10.13 at the register, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta. On Ibotta, you want to submit for this offer for $1.50 back for each bag of the Siete Puffs for a total of $3, 75 cents back for the bag of Siete Kettle Chips, 50 cents for the Siete seasoning, and on Ibotta, you'll also get a $1 bonus for buying 2 participating Siete products, as well as a $1.75 bonus for buying 3 participating Siete products. That makes your final net total for all 4 items $3.13, or roughly 79 cents a piece. If you're not currently saving with Ibotta or any of the rebate apps featured in this video, I do have links for all of them down in the description below, and when you sign up for 1 or more, you will unlock a welcome bonus. You're looking for the cartons of Breyers Strawberry Shortcake Ice Cream for this next deal. These are on price cut for $3.87 each, down from $4.67. You'll need to grab 2 for this deal, so that way you can use this $2 off 2 digital coupon found in the My HEB app. With that coupon, you'll pay $5.74 at the register, but then you want to check your fetch account for this offer for 1,000 points or $1 for each one. That'll give you back 2,000 points, making your final net total for both $3.74 or $1.87 each. Of course, we have a new coupon to do this deal again this week. You can grab 2 jars of the Tostitos salsa priced at $3.98. And in the My HEB app, clip this $2 off 2 unlimited digital coupon. You'll pay $5.96 out of pocket for both, but then just like before, you can take your receipt, submit it to Ibotta for $1 back for each jar for a total of $2. That makes your final net total $3.96 for both, or $1.98 each. You can grab up to 4 jars for $1.98 each, since the coupon is unlimited and the Ibotta rebate has a limit of 5. To get the best bang for your buck out of this next deal, you want to grab one McCormick Perfect Pinch Italian Seasoning, priced at $3.34, as well as one of the McCormick Perfect Pinch Green Goddess varieties or the spicy Italian varieties, priced at $4.68. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited Combo Loco coupon. When you buy one of the Perfect Pinch varieties, you're going to either get the Green Goddess or the spicy Italian bottle for free. So that'll leave you to pay $4.34 at the register for both seasonings, or $2.17 each. The 6-count pack of Klondike ice cream bars are priced at $4.24 each, and you want to grab 2 so that way you can use this $2 off 2 digital coupon found in the My HEB app. With that coupon, you'll pay $6.48 at the register for both, but then you can submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $2 back for buying 2. That makes your final net total for both packs $4.48 or $2.24 each. For this next deal, you can mix and match between the family-sized boxes of Triscuit and Wheat Thin crackers priced at $4.98 each. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited coupon that's going to make 2 boxes $7. You'll pay that $7 out of pocket, but then you want to check your fetch account for this offer for 1,000 points or $1 for each box for a total of $2. That makes your final net total for both $5 or $2.50 each. The making of a perfect sandwich starts with this deal, and up first, you want to grab a bottle of the Hellmann's Squeeze mayonnaise priced at $5.98. You also want to grab a 20-ounce HEB round top large loaf of bread priced at $2.48. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited Combo Loco coupon. When you buy the Hellmann's mayonnaise, you're going to get the bread for free. In addition to the Combo Loco coupon, since the mayonnaise is the item that you are paying for, you also want to piggyback this $2 off digital coupon. After both coupons combine at the register, you'll be left to pay $3.98 out of pocket for both items, or $1.99 each. Up next, you can grab a box of the Duncan Hines Keto Bake Mix priced at $5.28. as well as a Duncan Hines Keto Frosting priced at $5.48. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited Combo Loco coupon. When you buy the bake mix, you're going to get the frosting for free. That leaves you to pay $5.28 out of pocket for both, or $2.64 each. This next deal requires no coupons, but you want to check your store for these Tyson Naturals chicken nuggets. These are regular $8.47 a bag, but select regions have them on sale right now for $2.99. If your region does not have them on sale for $2.99, they are more than likely $3.99, which is still a great deal. For our final grocery deal, you can grab 3 12-packs of Pepsi or Dr. Pepper products priced at $7.68 each. 3 of those would normally run you $23.04, but right now in the My HEB app, we have an unlimited digital coupon that'll make all 3 $12. So you'll save $11.04, making each 12-pack only $4. Now for some personal care deals. This is a basket scenario deal where you want to grab 2 Axe deodorants priced at $4.98 each and clip the $6 off 2 digital coupon. You also want to grab an Axe Fine Fragrance deodorant priced at $5.98 and clip this $3 off digital coupon. And finally, grab a Dove Whole Body Deo product on price cut for $9.98, down from $11.98, and clip this $2 digital coupon. Here's an example of what you should have in your cart for this deal. And in the My HEB app, you want to clip the following digital basket coupons. This $3 off $9 basket coupon for grabbing over $9 worth of participating Dove deodorant products. This $3 off $12 basket coupon for grabbing over $12 worth of participating Axe deodorant products. And finally, since you are grabbing over $20 worth of participating Unilever personal care items, you also want to piggyback this $5 off $20 basket coupon. At checkout, after all coupons apply, you'll be left to pay $3.92 out of pocket. You can then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2 back for each one of the regular Axe deodorants, $4 back for the Axe Fine Fragrance deodorant, $4 for the Dove Whole Body Deo, and finally receive a $1 bonus for buying 2 participating Axe products. Once it's all said and done, all 4 products are completely free and a $9.08 moneymaker. Up next, we have the Arm & Hammer toothpaste that are priced at $3.98, and in the My HEB app, we have an unlimited $1 off digital coupon. You'll pay $2.98 out of pocket, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2 cash back. That makes your final net total 98 cents, and the Ibotta offer has a limit of 3. My store was out of stock, and I'm sure I'm butchering this, but the Kitsch elastic hair ties, the 100 count, are priced at $4, and in the My HEB app, we have an unlimited digital coupon for $3 off. That makes each pack only $1. The Colgate Total Foaming Clean toothbrushes are priced at $4.96, and in the My HEB app, we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $1.96 at the register. The O'Keeffe's Lip Repair Balms are priced at $3.97, and in the My HEB app, we have a $2 off unlimited digital coupon, making each one $1.97. Caress Body Wash is priced at $5.37. And in the My HEB app, we have a $2 off unlimited digital coupon, leaving you to pay $3.37 at the register. You then want to check your Fetch account to see if you have this offer for 1,000 points or $1 when you buy one. That makes your final net total $2.37. Since the coupon is unlimited and the Fetch offer has a limit of 3, you can grab 3 of these for a net total of $2.37 each. You can either grab the Skintimate disposable razors or the Schick Extreme 4 razors priced at $5.97 each for this next deal. These razors all qualify for this $3 off unlimited digital coupon, which will make each pack $2.97. Now, other Schick and Skintimate disposable razors do qualify for that coupon. However, these are just the cheapest options. Another O'Keefe steal that you can do, it is for the Healthy Feet jar. It is priced at $7.97, and you'll use that same $2 off unlimited digital coupon that you did in the previous deal. With that coupon, you'll pay $5.97 at the register, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2.50 cash back. That makes your final net total $3.47, and the Ibotta offer has a limit of 5. The Old Spice Total Body Deodorants are on price cut for $10.97, down from $12.97. In the My HEB app, we also have a $4 digital coupon, which will leave you to pay $6.97 at the register for one. You can then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1.50 cash back, making your final net total $5.47. For the final personal care deal, you want to grab one children's Zysol priced at $10.12 and clip this $5 digital coupon. You also want to grab an 80-count box of the Zysol Allergy tablets priced at $37.12 and clip this $10 digital coupon. Since you are also grabbing over $15 worth of participating products, you want to piggyback this $3 off $15 unlimited basket coupon. You'll actually reach that $15 threshold 3 times with this deal, taking off a total of $9. After all coupons apply, you'll be left to pay $23.24 out of pocket, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2 back for the Zysol children's medicine and $8 back for the box of Zysol allergy tablets. That drops your final net total down for both items to $13.24. A few household deals that you can do. The first one is for the Fancy Feast Gems. My store is out. These are still on price cut for $1.97, down from $2.23. If you still have this $1 off digital coupon available, you can use it and you'll pay 97 cents out of pocket. You then want to check your Fetch account to see if you have this offer for 1,500 points or $1.50. After all offers, your final net total for one is free and a 53-cent moneymaker. This next deal is for the 30 count of Armor All Original Protectant Wipes priced at $3.97. It has to be that variety to get the most bang for your buck. And then in the My HEB app, you want to clip the $2 off unlimited digital coupon and you'll pay $1.97 out of pocket. If you grab that specific variety, you can also take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for 50 cents cash back. That makes your final net total $1.47, and the Ibotta offer has a limit of 5. For the final deal, the cans of Cutter insect repellent sprays are priced at $3.98. And in the My HEB app, we have a $2 off unlimited digital coupon, making each can only $1.98. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for this week's Best HEB Deals video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget, too, about the printable list down in the description below that you can print out and take to the store with you to make shopping all of these deals easy. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.